I am sorry. I'm not feeling so well, so I've got something in my chest. It's in the morning. I have a retightening appointment at 8 this morning, and I'm headed there. I'm literally like 5 minutes away, so yeah, I love that. Anyways, I thought I'd just come up here and show you my hair before I leave and come back and show you afterwards. See if I can get up there close. I washed it last night pretty late, so I had to kind of go underneath the dryer this morning to make sure it was completely dry before the appointment. Hope you all are able to see this. I can run my fingers through, yes, but you see all the frizzies. I love retightening because those frizzies magically go away. I don't even know if I'm doing, oh, this is better lighting. I'm in my car, y'all. I'm about to get going, but I didn't want to do this in front of the shop and look crazy, so yeah. So I don't know if you can see anything. It's completely dry, so that's good. I don't remember what month retightening this is, but when I come back, I'll have all that information for you guys. But yeah, it's looking really good. Oh yeah, by the way, the baby lock on this side, of course, came completely out. It didn't even last for the first wash. Like, it's so little, so yeah, it didn't last. But the other one is barely hanging on. Where'd it go? Right here. So, you know, it's there, the little bit that it is, but I'm so happy because it's a bit of victory. That means we're getting somewhere with that one. That's how it happened when I first got my locks, and the ones in the front, the struggle bus ones, it took some time. It took some retightnings before they stayed in, just because it needed some more length and a little more something to hold on to. So, yeah. So, anyways, that's my hair. Let me see if I turn around this way. I'm sorry, y'all. This is like all over the place. I'm hoping y'all are seeing all of this. Okay, I'm not too sure what you're seeing, so I'm gonna stop my attempt. All right, I will see you guys afterwards. Hello everyone, welcome back to Mo's World. I'm Mo. If you saw earlier in this video, you should have saw a clip of my hair before I went to my retightening session. I am back after a retightening session and a nap later. I am still not feeling so well, so we're gonna make this short, sweet, and to the point. So this is my 20-month retightening. I asked her how my hair is doing, the usual. She said it's doing well, it's definitely progressing. I asked her if I was still in the baby stages, and she said no. I was not yet in the teenage stage. I was in between and like approaching the teenage stage. So I don't know, the way my hair is progressing and the length of it, I feel like it's gonna be maybe another year until I'm in the teenage stage. It may be a little less, but I'm banking on another year. So I don't know, but it was good to hear that I was in the baby stage, because I honestly was like, I have to still be in the baby stage. But to hear that, it was like, yay, there is progress. I'm not just out here doing life and my locks aren't doing anything. So it was really, really, really good to hear. It takes 2 hours for my retightenings on the dot. She's very good, very anal about lines, so she hooks your girl up. This time was a bit difficult to sit through because I was lazy and I washed my hair super late last night and I did not separate. And then on top of that, I blasted it with heat this morning so it could dry before my retightening session. So, you know, it kind of got a little matted because my hair is my new growth anyway. So Yeah, she was having a little day. She didn't have to use any scissors. She's just really good in anal, but I was feeling it, let's just say that. So I will make sure I'm on my P's and Q's and I'm a good girl because I was like, oh, I can't have that. But yeah, girl looking snatched. Like, I don't know. I know I got up close with my baby hair. My baby hairs will come out so much. My mom gets so upset with me. She's like, just use some gel. Your baby hairs are everywhere. I'm just like, no. So I got locks. I don't have to maintain that. I don't care. You know? But anyways, she did it really well. So I only have like a little bit of baby hair left out. So if you can see, huge difference from before. Got that little one. No, this one was the one that was still in. So let me see. Let me see if I have a piece of paper somewhere. Or cardboard. I do have a piece of paper. Give me a second. Okay, so you can see the actual lock. All right, so this was the, no, that's not the baby one. Where's the baby one? This is the baby one that said, hey, it made it, even though a little bit of it, but it still made it. That's what that's looking like. It's been redone. Let me see. And then the other one that came out completely, and I told y'all I didn't even make it through the first wash, is this one. So, I do have some budding. I feel like every time I get on camera and I try to find it for you guys, I can never find it. Even some of my little ones are actually really starting to bud. Where are they at? Like I said, every time. No, that one's getting thicker, but it's not. Yo, this is ridiculous. I feel like I can never find it when I'm on camera with you guys. But any other time, I'm just touching my hair and I find it immediately. Well, I ain't gonna stay on here all day trying to find some budding. No, that's not the budding I'm talking about. That one's starting, but it's not like, it's not hardened yet. It's still soft. But that's where a lot of my hair is at, where it's starting the process, but it's still too soft. Anyways, let me just show you all my hair. Alright, so look at those clean lines, y'all. Clean lines. Like, I love it. Let me see. How am I doing this? I don't know about y'all, but when I get a fresh retightening, it just always feels like my hair looks darker and more defined. Like, I don't know. I don't know if that's just a me thing, but I love how it looks darker because my hair is not black. It is definitely brown. It's dark brown. And on some days, it looks like it's a lot like a sandy brown. And it just, I don't know. It's pretty. I love my color, but it doesn't stand out. So, I don't know. After I get a fresh retightening, it just feels like, boom. There's that life. It just feels like it's darker and it stands out a little bit more. Anyways, yeah. Hope you all are seeing all of this. I don't even know. I'm so bad at that. I don't know how ladies have gotten this down to a science, because Lord knows I haven't. Hope y'all saw all of that. Anyways, that is where my hair is doing. This December, it will be 2 years, y'all, and I'm looking forward to making that video. I started looking through my phone. I still have all the pictures from pretty much each month since I first got them established. And I know since I didn't start my YouTube or making videos really when I actually started my process, so sometimes it's very hard for you all to follow along because I started making videos when I was at 13 months, and plus I already came with my length. So sometimes it's very difficult for you all to like really connect with my journey, and I totally understand that. So yeah, with the 2-year mark, I'm excited about really showing that and taking you along, so you at least, even though you weren't seeing it in front of camera this entire time, you're able to still see it through the pictures. So I'm looking forward to making that video in December because it's also right after my birthday, so it's nice. My anniversary, Lockiversary, is December 5th or 6th, whatever you want to say, because it was 2 days to put it in. And then my birthday is December 1st, so it's always nice. I am turning 29 this year, y'all. Woo woo! I'm excited. I think that's it. I don't really have anything else to say about my hair. It's thriving. It's doing well. I'm loving every moment of it. Wouldn't trade it for the world. Super low maintenance. It makes my life. It really goes with my lifestyle. I am super, super, super low maintenance. So yeah, that's all I have. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Stay tuned. I am going to be putting out a video later this week. I know I've received a lot of comments from that one video, my true story video about my previous social consultant, and why I switched over. So I will be making a video responding to all of that because that video is still getting comments, and I feel like I just need to come up here on camera and respond. So look out for that this week. All right, love you guys. I hope this video finds you blessed wherever you're at. Stay true to yourself and take care. Bye.